Folks, what's up? This is your boy Savant here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A80. Long time this review has been coming, so let's go with it. So first off, let's begin with the build quality, and Samsung did a great job in designing this device. The back is curved and the screen itself in front is flat. There's no curve on the screen edges. With the curved back, it's way easier to hold this device since it's already a huge device as well. Next up, let's take a look at the display, and this device rocks a full HD Super AMOLED display, which is great for viewing any type of content on here, playing games, etc. You name it. This panel looks really good on this device. Now, to assist with sound, there's only one down-firing speaker, which could clearly be blocked when viewing content or playing games. Now, the A80 has a Snapdragon 730 under its hood, which is a great processor for mid-range devices. One thing I've noticed is that Samsung hasn't really taken the time to optimize their software together with this great hardware, because in my daily usage of this device, I've discovered there's a lot of micro lags. And no, don't get me wrong, it handles gaming, multitasking, everything they threaded very well. I think Samsung should have taken some time to at least optimize both software and the hardware experience with this device. Now let's talk about the camera, and this is where my major disappointment with this device lies. For this price point, I expected Samsung to deliver, especially in this department, since clearly they use this main aspect of the phone to market their device. Well, it turns out it's indeed the opposite. The camera setup on here poorly delivers, even in taking selfies. And one will think that since the back camera setup is being used for selfies as well, it should be of good quality. Even the wide angle shots are terrible. Check out the distortion at the sides, and also there's a lot of noise in them. It's not even consistent with the main camera shots. For those of you who care less about wireless charging, well, that's absent here. And there's no IP rating for dust or water resistance. The fingerprint scanner is painfully slow and inconsistent. Easily the worst I've ever used on a device to date. Battery life is okay on here. 3700 mAh battery will get you through the day, and if you do need a top up, Samsung included a 25-watt charger in the box for you, and this is going to get you just over 50% in a half an hour of charging, which is good in my opinion. Now, while some of these issues can be addressed via software update, I don't think it's still enough to justify the price point of this device and what it really offers. Guess what? There are many other great devices for this price point and less that offers way more than what the A80 offers. I'm not sure why anyone would want to buy this device, but please note that the things that I've spoken about prior are some of the things that you will have to put up with if you do buy this device. Even the Samsung A70 is a way better option than the A80 in my opinion. I'm sorry guys, but the A80 isn't worth it for the price and for what it offers. To this end guys, this has been my review of the Samsung Galaxy A80. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Stay tuned for more content coming your way soon. So that's it there guys. Bless.